Hello, and welcome to Easy Story Studio. Today, we have a very nice A1 level English story for you. It is about a hardworking farmer named Bob. Listen carefully to practice your English. Let's begin.
This is a man named Bob. Bob is 60 years old. He is a very happy farmer. Bob lives on a big farm. The farm is in the country. It is far from the city. Bob has a very small house. The house is painted white. It has a red wooden door. He wakes up very early today. The sun is not up yet. The sky is dark and black. Bob turns on his bedroom light. He gets out of his bed. He puts on his blue jeans. He puts on a red shirt. He puts on his brown boots. The boots are very dirty. He walks to his small kitchen. He makes a pot of coffee. The coffee is black and hot. He drinks the hot coffee quickly. He eats a yellow banana. He is ready for work now. Bob opens the red wooden door. He walks outside into the cold. The morning air is very fresh. He walks to the big red barn. The barn is very old. It has a big white roof. Bob opens the heavy barn doors. He turns on the bright lights. He sees his favorite cow. The cow is named Bessie. Bessie is black and white. She is a very big cow. "Good morning, Bessie," says Bob. Bessie makes a loud moo sound. She is happy to see Bob. Bob gives Bessie some dry hay. Bessie eats the hay very fast. She is a very hungry cow. Bob has to milk the cow. He takes a clean metal bucket. He sits on a small chair. He milks the big white cow. The warm milk fills the bucket. The milk is very white. Bob takes the bucket of milk. He carries it to the house. He puts it in the cold fridge.
Next, Bob walks to the chickens. He has 20 small brown chickens. They live in a wooden house. The chickens are very loud today. They make a lot of noise. They want their morning food. Bob takes a bag of seeds. He throws the seeds on the ground. The chickens eat the seeds quickly. Bob looks inside the wooden house. He sees many round white eggs. He collects the fresh eggs. He puts the eggs in a basket. He finds 12 fresh eggs today. He is very happy now. He carries the basket to the house. He puts the eggs on the table. He washes his dirty hands. The sun is finally coming up. The sky turns pink and yellow. It is a beautiful morning. Bob goes to his big garage. He opens the big metal door. He looks at his tractor. The tractor is very big and green. It has 4 big black wheels. It is a very strong machine. Bob climbs onto the green tractor. He turns the silver metal key. The engine makes a loud noise. He drives the tractor to the field. The field is very big and flat. It has rich brown dirt. Bob needs to plant corn today. He has a big bag of seeds. The seeds are small and yellow. The tractor pulls a big machine. The machine makes lines in the dirt. Bob drives very straight. The machine puts seeds in the ground. It covers the seeds with dirt. Bob works for many hours. The sun is high in the sky. It is 12 o'clock now. Bob is very hot and tired. He stops the big green tractor. He turns off the loud engine. He drinks cold water from a bottle. Bob sits under a big green tree. The tree gives him nice shade. He opens his lunchbox. He has a big ham sandwich. He has a sweet red apple. He eats his lunch slowly. A small dog runs to Bob. The dog is brown and white. The dog's name is Buster. Buster wags his short brown tail. He wants some of the sandwich. Bob gives him a small piece. Buster eats the meat very fast. He licks Bob's hand happily. Bob smiles at his good dog. After lunch, Bob goes back to work. He drives the tractor again. He plants more yellow corn seeds. He finishes the big field finally. He is very proud of his work. The corn will grow tall. Bob drives the tractor to the barn. He parks it inside the garage. He turns off the engine. He walks to the vegetable garden. The garden is behind his house. He grows many good things here. He sees big red tomatoes. He sees long green cucumbers. He sees round orange carrots. Bob takes a big wooden basket. He picks the red tomatoes carefully. He puts them in the basket. He pulls the carrots from the dirt. The carrots are long and dirty. He shakes the dirt off. He is very happy with his vegetables. He will eat them for dinner. He loves fresh farm food. Buster runs around the big garden. He chases a fast yellow butterfly. The butterfly flies very high. Bob takes the basket to the house. He washes the vegetables with water. The vegetables are very clean now. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Bob has more work to do. He walks to the big field. He needs to fix a wooden fence. The fence is very old and broken. The cows can run away. Bob carries a heavy metal hammer. He carries a box of sharp nails. He carries a new wooden board. He takes the old broken board out. He puts the new board in place. He hits the sharp nails. The hammer makes a loud bang sound. Bob hits the nails very hard. The fence is strong again. He wipes the sweat from his face. He is very tired from hitting nails, but the cows are safe now. Bob walks back to the red barn. He needs to feed the pigs. He has 5 fat pink pigs. The pigs are in a dirty pen. They like to sleep in the mud. They are very funny animals. Bob brings a big bucket of food. The food is made of corn and water. He pours it in a trough. The pink pigs run to the food. They eat very fast and loud. They make happy snorting sounds. Bob watches the funny pigs eat. He likes his farm animals very much. They are like his family. The sun is going down slowly. The sky is orange and purple now. The day is almost over. Bob goes back to the White House. He takes off his dirty brown boots. He leaves them at the door. He walks into the warm kitchen. He washes his face and hands. He uses warm water and soap. He cooks a hot dinner for himself. He cooks some meat and potatoes. He eats his fresh red tomatoes. The food tastes very good tonight. He drinks a glass of cold milk. The milk is from his cow. Buster sits on the kitchen floor. He watches Bob eat his dinner. Bob gives Buster his dog food. After dinner, Bob sits in his chair. The chair is old and very soft. He reads the daily newspaper. He reads about the local town news. He looks at the weather for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be sunny and warm. Bob feels very happy about the weather. He can do more work outside. He loves sunny summer days. It is 8 o'clock in the evening. Bob is very tired from working hard. His arms and legs are heavy. He turns off the kitchen light. He walks to his small bedroom. He puts on his blue pajamas. He gets into his warm bed. Buster sleeps on the floor nearby. The house is very quiet now. Bob listens to the quiet night sounds. He hears the wind in the trees. He hears an owl in the dark. He closes his tired brown eyes. He thinks about the green tractor. He thinks about the planted corn. He knows the seeds will grow well. He knows his animals are happy. He is a very good farmer. Bob falls asleep very fast tonight. He dreams about a big green field. He is ready for a new day. The next morning comes very fast.
A rooster crows loudly outside the window. It is time to wake up again.
Bob opens his sleepy brown eyes. He stretches his arms high in bed. He feels strong and rested today. He puts on his clean work clothes. He wears a blue shirt today. He puts on a green hat. He drinks his hot black coffee. He eats a piece of white bread. He walks out the red door. The farm is beautiful in the morning. The green grass is wet and cold. Bob smiles a big, happy smile. Buster runs out of the house quickly. He barks at a small flying bird. A new farm day begins now. Thank you for listening to this story on Easy Story Studio. Did you like Old Farmer Bob? If you want to learn English with simple stories, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next story.